sinusoidal inverter. Meron kaming 12 battery, 12 volts. Kumuha kami ng inverter. Tapos during that time, marami pang brownout. So, nagcha-charge para magkaroon ng ilaw. What's so significant doon ay sinusoidal siya. Almost all the inverters ay square wave. Ang nag-design doon ay si Mike Scotto. Malamang kilala nyo. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi talaga nagkukulang yung pag-design. Nahirapan kami noon kakagawa ng mga PCB. Ito. We have to make our own CNC drill. Magagawa pa kami ng yung coating, lahat. Everything na paggawa ng PCB ay ginagawa. So, the whole focus ay napupunta doon sa paggawa. Hindi na doon sa pag-design, hindi doon sa pag-develop. And yet, we always encounter some problems, especially in consistency, in quality. Always dihado ang siguro small electronic fabricator because of lack of capability to produce. Starting with PCB muna. So this is really a hindrance na buti na lang napasok tayo sa DOST, nakita natin to at paano natin matutulungan yung ating mga developers. Definitely hindi tayo nagkukulang sa pag-design. Even during that time, meron na kayong ginagawang DC controller, tama ba? AC controller o DC? DC amplifier. Ang kulang talaga, paano gagawin competitively. So it's not the design, it's yung paggawa. So I'm assuming that lahat ng IAPI rito have very, very good ideas and hopefully this facility can help make those ideas into reality at palagay ko, ang ano rito talaga maging world-class talaga yung facility. Come out with world-class product, turn your ideas into world-class products, both in quality, kayo naman sagot nun eh, quality or the design, and even in cost. So hopefully, this can provide services nga to produce not only PCB, not only siguro testing, tama? Reliability test, which is very, very important. And at cost nga na pareho na tayo sa Hong Kong o Taiwan, you lang to go outside. Dito na lang pwede magawa. At kahit naman hindi kumita yung facility, basta as long as it can deliver the services needed by our developers. And talaga nare-record ko, ang hirap talaga gumawa ng produkto without this kind of facility. Ang hirap, it's so frustrating for designer because you have so many ideas and yet hindi mo mailabas, hindi mo magawa produkto. And hopefully, this can really leverage yung assets nyo talaga. Yung creativity, working technically and otherwise. Again, congratulations sa ASPI. Hindi naman kailangan i-push dahil gusto naman talaga ng ASPI. And congratulations sa support namin from the private sector. Ito naman talaga public-private collaboration. Okay.